Hello, my dear viewers and learners. Here I am Bikash, attending with an amazing things, spoken English. Usually, I am with you a special program of spoken English. Here in this spoken English, you will learn an interesting things, and this one is to be applied in our practical life, in our everyday communication with others in the society. You know, we usually use a word sorry. Why do we use the word sorry? Actually, when we will commit any mistake consciously or unconsciously, at that mistake we have to usually say sorry. But this sorry is nowadays a out-on expression of maintaining social decorum. Nowadays, the native speaker of English don't apply the word sorry. Instead of sorry, we have many alternative short sentences or phrases to maintain social courtesy. So, what the short sentences or phrases the English speaker usually apply nowadays, that is to be practiced in our social dealings also and in our social cooperation. So let's see what the alternative sentences or phrases that the English speaker usually apply nowadays. Number 1, pardon me. Number 2, I beg your pardon. Number 3, I am extremely sorry. Next one, I am awfully sorry. I am terribly sorry. I am really sorry. I am very sorry. I am so sorry. I am ever so sorry. I was in the wrong. I was wrong on that. I had that wrong. That was wrong of me on that. It's my fault. It's all my fault. Shortly we can say my mistake, or even we can say my bad. For example, oh, it's my bad. I did not mean to. For example, I did not mean to hurt you. Dear viewers, I did not mean to. This is a phrase that is to be applied in case when you are not intended to do something, but unfortunately or unconsciously you did something which is going against someone. That's why we can say, I did not mean to say. That means I did not mean to hurt you, or I did not mean to split the cream over you. Next one, I am messed up. Now the next one, I apologize for my mistake. Next one, I apologize for breaking your pen. For example, I apologize for plus verb, progressive form plus extension. Again, I am giving you an example. I apologize for disturbing you. Okay, this one is to be presented in a formal way. I would like to apologize for my mistake. I owe you an apology for my mistake. I hope you can forgive me. I hope you can forgive me. I hope you would forgive me. I hope I can be forgiven. Now the last one, I deeply regret at my mistake. I deeply regret at my mistakes. Dear viewers, these are the phrases, short phrases and short sentences the English speaker apply in their cooperation with others. So, if you are wanted to be updated with your social dealings and social cooperation with others, I hope all of you will practice these short phrases and to be efficient in your social cooperation with others. And it is supposed to be thought that all of you have enjoyed, and these amazing short sentences and phrases are to be applied in your daily communication with others. So no more today. Wishing you all the best. Comment, have a comment and subscribe the channel. Best luck.